Dr. Khushal Bopche. Date of birth August 16, 1951. He is an Indian politician and belongs to Bhartiya Janta party. Political career. 1976 to 1981 he started his political career as Vice Sarpanch at Gram Panchayat Hirdamali. 1980 to 1985 he was member of Panchayat Simiti Goregaon. 1981 to 1985 he was president of Bhartiya Janta Yuva morcha Bhandara district. 1985 to 1989 he was MLA from Goregaon in Maharashtra Assembly. 1985 to 1990 he was president of Bhartiya Janta Yuva morcha Maharashtra Pradesh. 1989 to 1991 he was also member of parliament representing Bhandara, Lok Sabha constituency, in 9th Lok Sabha. 1995 to 1999 he was member of Legislative Assembly from Goregaon. 1997 to 1998 he was chairman of Public Accounts Committee. 2003 he was chairman of Water Conservation Advisory Council. He was a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, representing Tirora. He defeated Rahangdale's Sushilkumar Sukhadev of NCP by 623 votes in the 2009 elections. Personal life. He was born and stay at Hirdamali, Goregaon Gondia district. He is homeopathic medicine practitioner and agriculturist by profession. He is married to Mrs. Sushila and has 2 sons and 3 daughters. References